Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to ask you something. Has it ever happened to you that when you sit down to draw and you're like, okay, I'm out of ideas, what should I draw now? So just keep watching my video and I'm going to tell today how to come up with ideas and tricks. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to talk today is about tools. That everyone keep asking me what kind of tools are you using to make a perfect circle or a square or anything. Just forget about that. Just use whatever you see at your home in your household items. I'm using something here from my kitchen to make a circle. So just draw a basic structures first: a circle, a square, a flower, and then start filling those things with your ideas or patterns or designs. Like, see, I drew a circle and then I thought, what can I do with a circle? I can make a mandala, I can make a flower, I can make earth, right? So either you can color it like this or this or this. So just use your imaginations and go wild with the art. The next thing is very important. Whenever we are in an art blog, we don't look around. Look up your surroundings and see what is there that you can use to make your art, and then just keep drawing it. And I'm telling you that this is the best method to come up with ideas. Look at surroundings and you'll see so many things there: your phone, your flower pot, a book, your shelf, drawer, whatever you see. Use that and to come up with more art ideas. And go on Pinterest. Like, suppose you want to make something with your flower pot, go and type flower pot there and see. There are so many different artists, those who are making so many different things with some of them are using watercolors to make flower pots, some of them are using them to put zentangles there or mandalas with a flower pot. So there are so many different artists, those who are making different kind of arts over there. So no need to copy them, just get inspired. When you see a lot of people doing some different stuff with a particular subject, you come up with more ideas of your own. The whatever art style you have, you'll come up with that. So don't bother that you are no need to copy somebody's art. No, it's not like that. Just go and get inspired. That is the best way to get ideas, trust me. The next thing is again the same thing that I told you before this. Look at your surrounding. Whatever you use daily, use it as your inspiration to make your art. Like, see, I'm making something today in my phone, so no need for the perfect lines and all. I don't like to make perfect lines. There are some artists, those who always write in my comment, why are you not making perfect lines? I don't like that. I know, but why I make art? Because I like the whole process of it. It's like a meditation for me. I like it. It's my hobby. That's it. I'm not selling it or anything, so I don't bother about that. And the next thing is choose themes. Yes, choosing theme is the best thing you can do to make or to come up with the idea. Like, suppose today my theme is water, today my theme is fruits, or today my theme is rainbow. So stick to that theme and do whatever you want to do, surrounding that theme only. Like, today I thought about making some patterns in a particular square. So I'm done with the boring square, so I use these picture kind of frames and I'm putting all these designs into it, and I'm sticking to my themes. Like, one of them is nature, other one is rainbow, and one of them is gonna be water. So the water, like, what is water? Like, with water you can come up with waves. You can use waves, you can use all those different shades of blue, sky blues, dark blues and all. So just stick to that theme and just draw simple lines. Even a simple line will look nice. Okay, so the first thing, always remember that you are not drawing something to please somebody, you are pleasing yourself. You should feel nice, and you should feel that your art is nice and you are enjoying, you're meditating, and no need to worry about a particular clean line. If you are that fussy about it, you can choose to do that, but I'm not. So thanks for watching my video, and next time I'll come up with a new video. Please subscribe to my channel and do comment below. Bye bye.